Hi guys, it's B.H. Lewis. I'm going to give you a ground beef dish, a Korean style ground beef and rice dish. Thanks to our friends at Butcher Box, we're going to have the best beef we can have. This really did turn out delicious. Let's go. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your oil is nice and hot. Use an oil that can withstand the heat. I'm using the coconut oil. That sizzle is exactly what you want to hear. Get all of that grass-fed and finished beef in there. Then take a wooden or plastic spoon and break it up. If you break it up now at this stage, it'll be easier to cook into smaller pieces. Now generously salt your meat and don't forget your cracked black pepper. Saute the meat again to ensure that your salt and pepper gets in there. Then in a small bowl, you're going to add some soy, some rice vinegar or mirin, a touch of honey, some ginger, and some red hot chili flakes, some salt, and some garlic powder. Then I take a whisk and whisk it together, right to the beef. Now be sure that your meat is brown before you add in your flavor base. Now the meat is beautiful, caramelized with all those natural sugars and the honey. That's exactly how it should look. So to plate this, I use a simple white bowl. Then I add about 2 to 3 spoonfuls of rice. You may also use pasta as well. Then take your glorious ground beef, 100% grass-fed and grass-finished. Thank you, Butcher Box. Ooh, that already looks good. Now, a few sprinkles of sesame seeds. Next goes in a nice drizzle of olive oil. Then another drizzle of sesame oil. This gives it a nice finishing touch. Then for garnish, I use celery leaves. You could also use parsley leaves or cilantro. Use what you like. I have some leftover confetti peppers with green onion, scallions. Sprinkle those on. I also sprinkle on some red hot chili flakes, just to give it a little heat. Now we're ready to taste. And there you have the most beautiful, delicious, very inexpensive Korean ground beef and rice. That ground beef, again from Butcher Box. Grass-fed beef, pasture-raised, delicious. Bye. Goodbye.